Today, we're uncovering the magic of onion juice for extreme hair growth. Whether you're battling hair loss or just want luscious locks, this video is for you. Watch till the end for the easiest DIY hair masks with amazing results. Of course, it's always important to try and address the underlying condition of your hair loss, which could be stress, hormonal changes, or nutritional deficiencies. But if you are experiencing thinning hair or hair loss, I highly recommend you try this remedy out for a few months because it helps so many people. First, let's talk about why onion juice is so good for hair growth. Onion juice is a powerhouse of nutrients and benefits. Rich in dietary sulfur, onion juice strengthens hair, promotes growth, and prevents breakage. It boosts blood circulation to the hair follicles, rejuvenating them, and minimizing hair thinning. Onion juice also fights scalp infections, creating a healthy environment for hair to grow. The antioxidants in onion juice help reverse and prevent premature graying. And this is a very inexpensive and effective hair treatment. All you need is red onions. People say that using small red onions is the best, however, those can be hard to find, so just use the regular-sized organic red onions. So, how can you use onion juice for extreme hair growth? First, peel and chop the onions, blend, and strain the juice. If it's hard to blend, you can add some water to it. The next step is to strain it through a nut milk bag or some pantyhose to extract the juice. The easiest way to use the juice is by transferring it into a squeeze bottle for easy application, and there you have it, your powerful onion juice hair growth remedy. Apply directly to your scalp, massage for a few minutes, leave for 30 minutes, then rinse. Make sure that your whole scalp is fully saturated. Repeat this 2-3 times a week for at least 2 months for the best results. Like any natural remedy, it's going to take time, but just be consistent, and you should see results. You can also mix onion juice with essential oils like lavender or rosemary for added benefits. For even better results, here are 5 DIY hair masks with onion juice for extreme hair growth. 1. Onion juice and coconut oil, mix together and apply. Great for nourishing and moisturizing, it helps in repairing damaged hair and adds a natural shine. Also, castor oil is one of the best hair growth treatments out there, so combining castor oil and onion juice can be a very powerful combination. 2. Onion juice and honey, combine and massage into your scalp. Perfect for adding shine and softness, it also helps in treating dandruff and itchy scalp. Honey will moisturize the scalp and hair, and it helps with scalp conditions due to its antibacterial properties. Using Manuka honey is the best way to go. 3. Onion juice, egg, and olive oil, blend well and apply. Ideal for strengthening and conditioning, it provides essential proteins and helps in reducing hair fall. 4. Onion juice and fenugreek seeds. These are incredible for preventing hair fall and regrowing hair, so combining fenugreek and onion juice is a very powerful combination. You can make fenugreek paste by soaking fenugreek seeds overnight in water and then blending them into a paste. Then combining that with some onion juice and applying that to your scalp like a mask. 5. Onion juice and flaxseed gel. Flax seeds are great for hair growth, so it's a perfect combination. Flax gel also makes it a better consistency to apply to the scalp. Don't miss out on the next video about all the amazing benefits flax seeds for beautiful and healthy hair. Now, a common concern with using onion juice is the smell. Here's how you can get rid of it. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and rinse your hair after shampooing. Coffee rinse. Mix 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in 2 cups of warm water and rinse your hair after shampooing. Grandma's special recipe. Add 2-3 crushed pods of cardamom and 2 cloves to the coffee rinse. The smell just disappears magically. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using onion juice for extreme hair growth. Many people, including myself, have used these masks, and it's proven to work. Consistency and patience are key to seeing noticeable results. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay gorgeous.